Okay, so in this video, I'm going to teach you a few vocab terms that have to do with angles within circles. So of course we have a circle here. This point in the middle we all know is the center. And then we have what it looks like a piece of pizza or a piece of pie or a piece of this circle. And we call this piece a sector. Okay, so if you go from the center and you make two radii, which is what we've done here, you've created a sector. So we define sector as a section of a circle formed by two radii and the arc of the circle connecting the radii. So these are my two radii, and this is my sector. Now this is the arc. So the arc connects the two radii. Now, this also forms an angle. So if I were to take out a protractor and measure this angle, I would be able to. So this is my arc. This is a radius. Remember, a radius just goes from the center to the edge of a circle. And this is also a radius. Now remember, in a circle, all radii have the same length. So this radius has the same length as this radius. And we can test this out by measuring it if we wanted to. So this radius is about 4 centimeters. And this radius is about 4 centimeters. And if I were to keep going around and making radii, I would see that they're all about 4 centimeters. Okay. Now within the sector, like I said, there is an angle. And we call this a central angle. And the reason we call it a central angle is because it forms at the center. So that makes sense. And we define a central angle as the angle formed by two radii. So this angle right here is the central angle. Now, if I were to make a whole bunch of sectors, so think of a pizza. If I were to take a pizza and cut it up into, let's say, 8 slices, I've made 8 sectors, each of them with a central angle. Now, if I were to take all of those central angles and add them up, it would equal 360 degrees because, as you guys know, there are 360 degrees in a circle. Okay? Click the link below if you want to see these notes again.